Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll show you how to deposit from Binance to Tonkeeper quickly and securely. Whether you're moving Ton for staking, trading, or holding, this guide will walk you through every step. Let's get started. 1. Open Tonkeeper Wallet. Launch the Tonkeeper app on your mobile or desktop. Tap on Receive and copy your Ton wallet address. 2. Log into Binance. Open Binance on your browser or app. Sign in to your account and complete any required security verification. 3. Navigate to the withdrawal section. Tap on Wallet, Fiat, and Spot. Select Toncoin from the list of available assets. 4. Enter withdrawal details. Paste your Tonkeeper wallet address in the recipient field. Choose the TON network. Make sure it matches Tonkeeper's supported network. Enter the amount you want to withdraw and review the transaction fee. Confirm the withdrawal. Double-check the wallet address and withdrawal amount. Click Withdraw and complete 2FA verification if enabled. 6. Wait for the transaction to process. Binance will send a confirmation email. Click on the link to approve the withdrawal. Transactions usually take a few minutes, but network congestion may cause slight delays. 7. Check your Tonkeeper wallet. Open Tonkeeper and go to your Ton balance. If the funds don't appear immediately, wait a few minutes or check the transaction status on a Toncoin block explorer. And that's it. You've successfully deposited Toncoin from Binance to Tonkeeper. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. See you in the next one.